Students, this is Srikanth, chemistry faculty. Students, this is Srikanth, chemistry faculty. Today we will discuss about different types of questions asked on first order kinetics. In JEE and NEET exam, today we will discuss different types of questions on first order kinetics rate constant. On first order rate constant in competitive exams like JEE and NEET. JEE and NEET. What is first order rate constant, bachcho? K is equal 2.303 by T log 10 base A by A minus X, where K is first order rate constant. A is initial concentration of reactants. A minus X is concentration of reactants at a time T, where X is concentration of reactants consumed during the progress of reaction. During the progress of reaction at time T. So this is the first order rate constant in terms of concentration. Understand? What is the first order rate constant in terms of concentration? We know that K is equal to 2.303 by T log 10 base A by A minus X, where K is first order rate constant. T is the time during the progress of reaction. A is initial concentration of the reactants. A minus X is concentration of the reactants at time T during the progress of reaction. X is concentration of reactants consumed during the progress of reaction. But in competitive exams, questions asked on first order rate constant in terms of pressure, volumes as well as optical rotation. Understand? In competitive exams, questions are asked on first order kinetics in terms of pressure, volumes and optical rotation. But we know the first order rate constant in terms of concentration, but we don't know the first order rate constant in terms of pressure or in terms of optical rotation as well as in terms of volumes. Okay? But there will be a relationship between pressure and concentration. There will be a relationship between pressure and concentration. PV is equal to nRT. From this equation, P is equal to N by V into RT. N by V, nothing but concentration. P is equal to CRT. R is ideal gas constant. T at constant temperature, we are considering temperature is constant, P proportional to C. So there will be a relationship between concentration and pressure. That is directly relationship. Concentration and pressure are directly proportional to each other. So in first order rate constant, concentrations are replaced by pressure. Then first order rate constant in terms of pressure is P is equal 2.303 by T log 10 base P naught by Pt, where P naught is the pressure of the reactants. Pressure of the reactants at time T is equal to 0 seconds, where P naught is the initial pressure, nothing but initial pressure or pressure of the reactants at time T is equal to 0 seconds. Pt is the pressure of the reacting species or reactants at a time T. Understand? What is first order rate constant? In terms of, we know that first order rate constant in terms of concentration is K is equal to 2.303 by T log 10 base A by A minus X. But questions are asked in objective exams like JEE and NEET in terms of pressure, in terms of volume, in terms of optical rotation, about first order rate constant. First, we will see questions are asked in terms of pressures about first order rate constant, K1. There will be a relationship between pressure and concentration. Pressure and concentration from ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. From that equation, pressure and concentration are directly proportional to one to another. So, pressure and concentrations are directly proportional to one to another. So, in first order rate constant, concentrations are replaced by pressures. At initial concentration, we can put initial pressure. At concentration at time t, we can put the pressure of the reactants at time t. So, final rate constant of first order reaction in terms of pressures is 2.303 by T log 10 base P naught by Pt. Understand? So this is the normal or general first order rate constant in terms of pressure. But we can see some model questions in terms of pressure about first order rate constant. Okay, students, we can see a reaction. A reactant gives rise to B plus C. A gaseous reactant gives rise to B gaseous products plus C gaseous products. For this reaction, a data will be given. At time t is equal to 0 second. Pressure, total pressure is at time t is equal total pressure is P naught. At time t is equal to t seconds, total pressure is PT. And at time t is equal total pressure is PT. For this reaction, what is rate constant K? A reactant gives rise to B gaseous products plus C gaseous product. A gaseous reactant gives rise to B gaseous products plus C gaseous product. It is a first order reaction. For this reaction, there is a data is given. At time t is equal to 0 second, total pressure is P naught. At time t is equal to t second, pressure is Pt. Then what is the value of rate constant for this gaseous reaction? Then what is the K1 value for this gaseous reaction? First, we know that what is first order reaction in terms of concentration. K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log 10 base A by A minus X, where A is initial concentration at time t is equal to 0 seconds, A minus X is concentration of reactants at time t is equal to t seconds. During the progress of reaction, X is concentration of the reactants during the progress of reaction. Understand? But in question, concentration terms is not given, pressures are given. So concentration replaced by pressures. Then first order rate constant is 2.303 by T log 10 base A by P naught by Pt. P naught is pressure of the reactants at time t is equal to 0 seconds. It means initial pressure. Pt is pressure of the reactant during the progress of reaction. Then what is Pt value? It can be calculated. Okay. First we can take gaseous reactant gives rise to B gaseous reactant plus C gaseous reactants. Initial pressure, that is time t is equal to 0. There will be only reactants. There will be only reactants from starting of the reaction. So P is equal. Initial pressure is given according to data is P naught. There will be no products, 0, 0. At time t is equal to 0, at time t is equal to 0 seconds, there will be only reactants. Reactant pressure is P naught, products pressure is 0, 0. During the progress of the reaction, from this pressure, some pressure is consumed, that is P naught minus X. And that pressure of products are formed with that pressure, X. So, in data, P naught, total pressure is P naught. So, what is P naught? P naught is equal to P naught plus 0, that is equal to P naught. At time t is equal, total pressure is given as Pt in question. But according to equation, total pressure Pt is equal P naught minus X plus X plus X. So, XX cancel, Pt is equal to P naught